Hey friends, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Russ and I'm a YouTuber, podcaster, music producer, and DJ based right here in Northwest Arkansas. And in a past life, I was a business banker, a nonprofit fundraiser, and I was in church ministry. But 3 years ago, I left all of that to focus in on building an events business, yes, in the middle of a pandemic, and to focus on content creation full-time. In this channel, we're trying to help explore the best practices for folks who are working a 9-to-5 job full-time or raising a family full-time or even going to school full-time and help them build businesses and grow those businesses, all while doing what's most important to them, and that is staying present in the moment. And so on the channel, I share best tips and practices of building those businesses. I do some tech reviews based on all the things that I use in my everyday life that's helping me build the business that I'm running. And then I also have a little fun section where I go over books and resources that I give summaries for and reviews for so that it maybe can help you along your journey. I kind of think of it as a community of people who are really just trying to focus in on what's most important for them, and that's building for the future, all while staying focused on the present. So if that sounds cool to you, I would love for you to jump in, watch some of the videos that we've curated for you below in the last couple of months, and I'll see you in the next video.